Itential's Configuration Manager provides network teams the ability to manage configuration and ensure compliance across your entire network with a single view of all your network devices and services. This federated inventory includes CLI-based devices like physical routers and switches, API-managed solutions like SD-WAN, and even cloud-native services like VPCs. This makes it easy to find any device or service in the network. You can create device groups and assign anything in the federated inventory to those groups. This helps organize operations across multiple device types and functions in the network. You can also perform a real-time device backup on anything in the federated inventory. This will create a snapshot of the most current configuration and add it to the list of available backup files for quick access the moment that it's needed. By selecting a device in the inventory, it's simple to compare the current, live configuration to any previous backup configuration for any device in the inventory. This comparison will clearly show any differences between these configurations and is incredibly helpful for troubleshooting the network, especially after changes have been made to a device. To ensure configuration compliance across your entire network, you must have a way to define your organization's network standards. Itential's Golden Configuration Editor provides a flexible and efficient way for network teams to collaborate and create configuration standards for CLI and API-managed network devices and services. A Golden configuration uses a tree structure, where each branch or node inherits the configuration statements from the node above. This allows you to define a set of shared configuration statements that are globally applicable inside the higher nodes and add more specific configuration requirements for a node further down the tree. By using the editor, configuration lines are defined for each node of the tree. Configuration lines can be easily entered into the editor, and each line can have a property that can be set to identify if the line should be required, ignored, or disallowed. You can also independently define a severity rating for each line to determine its score if a device fails compliance to this rule. This score can be defined as informational, a warning, or an error depending on how critical this configuration line is to the overall security, reliability, and performance requirements for the device. Within the Golden Configuration Editor, there are many other powerful features, like the ability to define variables and statements, or the ability to leverage Jinja 2 templates, which provide greater flexibility in defining Golden configuration standards across many devices. Once the Golden configuration is defined, it becomes the standard by which network devices are compared against, and Configuration Manager makes it simple to add network devices to a node and run a compliance check against them. Every time a compliance check is completed for a device, the results are recorded, and detailed reports can be viewed to quickly identify which devices are out of compliance, the overall compliance score, and the specific configuration lines that are out of compliance. To remediate a device, you can view the proposed configuration changes and accept them line by line. Just click Accept to apply the changes, and Configuration Manager will automatically make the changes to the device and run a compliance report to verify that the device is now in compliance. Once a network device is in compliance, how do you ensure it never falls out of compliance? Configuration Manager provides a way to validate a proposed configuration change before it's applied to a device and notify you if these changes would cause the device to become non-compliant. As you can see, Itential's Configuration Manager application provides a modern approach to network configuration and compliance so organizations can achieve operational consistency across their entire network infrastructure, whether it's legacy, modern on-prem, or in the cloud.